And we have seen a second straight day of record lows coming in for the Indian rupee, and the lowest that we have touched ever on the rupee has been at 58.95. So just inches away or 5 paisa away from that 59 psychological mark as well. Well, it's a 6th week of decline coming in, and in this week itself we have seen nearly 3% go off in case of the Indian rupee. There's absence of central bank intervention. While you have seen lots of noises come in from Delhi, they really are not talking the rupee on the lower side. Apart from that, the importers are rushing to cover their dollar needs. That is putting pressure on the rupee, and you also have seen exporters refraining from selling dollars on expectation of a further decline coming in as well. While there has been RBI governor talking about inflation concerns, even as they have strong food buffer stock there. So with the depreciating rupee, much of the fuel, food that you import is going to see price rise, leading to further inflation. So at this point in time, it really is looking bleak the way we are looking at depreciating rupee going on. But if you look at the bankers, treasury guys, economists, they still are talking about 60 as a new level as well coming in for the Indian rupee if the rupee continues to decline the way it is.